After Apple opened up third-party repairs, it became possible to buy genuine iPhone batteries. Previously, after a third party replaced the battery health couldn't be displayed, and an important battery message would always appear in the settings, which was quite annoying for many people. Today, we are going to install a genuine battery. First, ensure your phone is running iOS 18.2 or above. Now, let's talk about the tools you'll need: a set of screwdrivers, a magnetic project mat for screws, a bottle of alcohol adhesive remover, curved tweezers, a flexible six-sided stainless steel screen removal tool, and magic self-heating pads. To perfectly remove the screen, all of these tools are essential. As the saying goes, a workman must sharpen his tools before he can work well. First, remove the two screws securing the bottom of the screen. Use the magic self-heating pad to heat up the screen. Once the screen feels a little warm to the touch, you can start the process. The iPhone 13 Pro screen uses an embedded structure with waterproof adhesive around the edges. Only this ultra-thin flexible stainless steel screen removal tool can fit into the gap. Next, drip some alcohol adhesive remover along the edges to allow it to react with the adhesive. Move the stainless steel tool around the edges to help the alcohol dissolve the adhesive. Apply a little force, and the screen should start to pry open. Insert a plastic pry tool and slide it along the edges to gradually separate the screen from the frame. You can add more alcohol if necessary. Since the screen is very thin glass, be sure to use skillful, not brute, force during the entire process. After all, a screen is quite expensive. Once the screen is detached, hold it with one hand and unscrew the screws with the other. This is the battery connection cable. The first thing to do is disconnect it from the motherboard. There is also a light-sensitive cable at the top. Unscrew it and remove it. Be careful not to touch the camera during this process. At this point, the screen can be fully removed. The battery was originally designed to be removed by pulling out the adhesive strips beneath it, but because of the limited space inside, this method can be tricky. Drip a few drops of alcohol adhesive remover under the battery and gently pry it up with a tool. The battery will come off easily. Take the new battery, peel off the protective film, adjust the connector's position, and press it to make sure the battery sticks firmly in place. Apply a new waterproof sealing adhesive. Reattach the screen. Reconnect the battery and press the screen back into place. Finally, don't forget to reinstall the bottom screws to secure the screen. Power on the device and check the battery information. It may still show uncertified battery, but the health status will appear. Don't worry, there's one final step. Go to the settings homepage and look for the option Finish your battery repair. Select Restart and Finish repair. After restarting, enter the repair assistant, connect to Wi-Fi, and it will configure. Once the repair is finished, you will see a message saying, "This is a genuine Apple part." Restart the phone, and the important battery message will disappear. Thank you for watching.